So, Mr. Token, what did you have to do now?
To gain access to the oil filter, you have to pull off these pinche fucking little things.
How many of them is there?
Otra vez, otra vez.
Ow! That was my foot. Token is now attempting to remove the skirt.
Crap, I just pushed it back in.
He just pushed it back in.
That's what she said.
What do you think of your assistant, sir?
He's doing great. A couple more years and I'll let him take over. Yeah. Keep going.
That was our mechanic.
There we go. I lost the screw. Nope, found it. Alright. That's gonna hurt in the morning.
That's what she said. Have you removed the skirt, sir?
I always get the skirt removed one way or the other.
Are you attempting to remove the skirt by force, sir?
Yep. In some nations, that's rape.
In some stations, that's rape.
Alright, so now we have to drain.
Alright, once you pull off the filter, all the oil comes rushing out?
No, you have to drain it from the bottle.
Ah.
So basically, let me show you.
Tell us what you're doing, sir. Master mechanic, sir.
Here. Uh-huh.
Get a shot of that.
First you have to
Chronos
locate.
Locate? Where would this location
You
be?
have to locate the oil pan.
Oil pan.
On the oil pan, there should be a drain. Remove the screw from the drain.
Remove the screw from the drain?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah.
Remove the screw from the drain.
Well, you
We
remove the screw.
Mexican, fool. It's right here. You move the screw from the thing and the food like that. Fool.
Está la rain.
Yeah, it just like that. You gotta be careful.
¿Cómo?
Fool.
¿Cómo?
It's like that, fool, because you gotta be careful, fool.
Don't
You
drop
know?
the car into someone.
Yeah, don't
Oh, well,
drop the
that's
car
not gonna let
on
him down.
yourself.
He's okay.
Huh?
He's okay. He's in the right part. It's in the right hole. That's what she said. Unlike what she said.
Okay, that
when
one's
she goes
too
around.
big.
That's also what she said.
This one's just a little bit too big. Let's try
The
this
fuck
one.
is this? Fucking Damn.
That one's too
What's
small.
that fairy tale with
So
the?
small.
What's that fairy tale with the Goldilocks? What the fuck is this?
Goldilocks is
Goldilocks.
bigger.
Goldilocks changes the oil in an Altima.
Yes, sir.
Shouldn't you consult the owner's manual for this?
Look, fool. He's the owner. I'm Manuel.
And now it drips.
And now, we just remove this. Go bring a rag. It's right there on that, like straight ahead where that box is on top of the table. It's like right behind it, where the tow hitch box is at. Right? White table. There's rags.
For this, you must use
Yeah, blue.
gray boxers. And the
If
rain
you want to
pants.
point the camera this way, you stand over here.
No, this way.
Compare, hey.
From down here.
I'm about to get my 501 started, ain't I?
See, you wish you had some fucking rain pants on there, huh?
And we let her squirt.
Oh, she squirts. My baby's a squirter.
It's black.
Like me. She squirts.
That's a lot to squirt, yo.
It is a lot of squirt.
So, while that happens, we go up here. Ow. And we let her breathe a little. Let her breathe again. Breathe again.
Good man work.
All right, then we'll let the owner try it. There you go.
He loosened it up for me.
It was just a little bit too tight.
He needed a black guy to loosen it up.
Hey, what the fuck did I do with the filter? I just realized that. Oh, found it.
This is not what you want to do when you're changing an oil. You really want to know where all your shit is.
Where's the other nut?
That's what Chino's girlfriend said.
What happened?
If you don't know Chino, check out our other videos.
Those two?
Yeah.
All of them?
No, it's 4.6? 4.6?
What are you measuring?
That's what the fuck I thought you were here for.
He's,
Well, I
a,
buy
he's a mechanic.
quarts.
Well, 3.78 liters. There's 1 quart and a liter.
It's about a quart and a little.
Yeah, it's
Liter?
about a quart and a half. No, it's a quart and 1 liter.
Okay, we'll let you do the math.
Hey, I'm black. I'll just steal some shit. Right?
We'll just go like this, like, and then you turn it on, and if it says okay, okay.
Okay.
Works for me.
Wow.
Yeah. And we wait.
And now we wait.
Nah, we'll be right back after these
Wait,
messages.
how long does it usually take for oil to be drained out of a car?
Quite fast. Watch. Put the pause, and like 2 seconds later, it'll be all gone.